All right, everybody, we're back. Sorry about that. Electricity went down, but we're back, right? Yeah, just give me a second for Forex to. Yeah, freaking Brazil, right? Only in Brazil this happens. Now the electricity goes down. Like, I mean, what the heck, right? And give me a second, everybody. Open classes, right? Give it a second, give it a second. Yeah, we're talking about NZD USD weekly chart. And there you go. AUD NZD out. AUD CAD out. Alright, all good. NZD USD back again. Back again. No, I don't want to save. There you go. Alright, everybody. So we started from here, right? Before electricity went down. And if electricity goes down one more time, then we're done for the day, right? It's Friday. It's Friday. Our electricity company, they don't want to work. They want to pop a beer and give the second ABC, ABCD. One more time, ABCD. There you go. So we finished here. This was the ABCD. Give it a second. A to B, A, B, C, D, stroke, there you go. All right, so that's the A, that's the B, that's the C, and the D is, where is the D? This is NZD USD weekly chart this time. So the market didn't stop at the green, so moving forward, 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 and bam, I believe that's a low. Give me a second, everybody. We need to find the low. So 6497, 65, 6465, 6465. So that's a low. That's a low, everybody. And as always, A goes to C. Something like this. And B goes to D, right? Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to spread from B to A. And Broto said the last time the third one is the C. So we finished here before the electricity breakdown. And that was our ABCD. This is our most recent Fibonacci, right? ABCD. And we are here, ABC. D, right? Everybody, would you or wouldn't you make tons of money if you would short this C on NZD USD weekly chart? What do you think? I mean, tons of money. Yeah, we're going to learn about the contrarian too. All right? And we're going to learn about crowns and so on and so on and so on. All right? So you have the weekly Fibonacci pointing down as general direction. You have the monthly Fibonacci pointing down as general direction. Monthly. I'm going to move like this. That's the weekly. Monthly chart. Give it a second. I'm going to just quickly, right? Just quickly, monthly chart, starting from here to here, and then the next one was from here to here, and I believe we are done for the month. There you go. A is up in here, A on the monthly, B is here, AB, C, and the long-term direction down, there's the D, all right? So, if you have the monthly pointing down, if you have the weekly pointing down, what do you think? How should you trade to have a better chance, to have a better probability? I understand this, you know, day trading is different, but still you can trade extensions and retracements, everybody, fair enough. But look in here, day traders, look in here, day traders. Didn't the market make a higher high, higher low, and higher high, day traders? Yes. And didn't the market make here a high to low, low to high, high to low, and made a hard high, day traders? So day traders, you would lose in here. Most likely, I mean, I don't know, you know, it's a, but this is education wise. Make sense? No, there is no right or wrong. The strategy is on you. There is no right or wrong. It's a concept. It's a concept. Unless you are a scalper, scalping candlestick formations on the 5-minute chart, if you're a day trader or intraday trader, it would be beneficial to you and for you if you would trade in the direction of the alignments. Agreed? I mean, look at all of this money, man. Look at that. All of this money, I mean, look at this. Just because you knew that there is the Fibonacci in place. No, Fibonacci is not guaranteed, but Fibonacci can potentially win 7 times out of 10. Make sense? It's a game of nerves. Trading is a game of nerves, meaning patience. Who has more nerves? Make sense? All right, everybody, so let's finish strong on Friday. We are going to clone charts and we are going to go on the daily. Let's finish strong. This is the weekly, that's the daily, and we're going to go here and delete. All right. Let's finish strong. Where are we going to start? We're going to start from the monthly bands. So, which one is higher? Higher, that one. All right, so we're going to start from here, similarly to the weekly. All right. And there you go. So A to B. Okay, I'm going to go rather swiftly, all right, because we're almost out of time. A to B, green goes to green. It must be a low, so A to B, this is the second Fibonacci sequence. and green goes to green. This should be the third Fibonacci sequence, if I'm not mistaken, of course. Give me a second. Alright, so is this a low? Give me a second. Is this a low? 8269. 82699. 82696. So that's not a low. We need to find another one. The next one. Not a low, not a low. Bam! There you go. That's the new low. And zooming out, Fibonacci retracement tool. Green goes to green one more time. That's the C. Alright. And the next Fibonacci sequence. That's the low, if I'm not mistaken. Let's zoom in. 2 candles on the left, 2 candles on the right. All good. Give it a second. ABCD, ABCD. Green goes to green. So that's the C. And now let's find the D one more time. Green goes to green. The D must be a low. That's not a low. There you go. That's the new Fibonacci sequence. And finally, whoa. That's the daily chart, everybody. So I'm going to use horizontal lines, right? So there's the C, which goes to blue, and this one goes to blue. Let's see. There you go. So this is the new sequence, everybody. Fibonacci sequence from here to here. That's the blue. Is this a low? Give me a second. We have one before. All right, so that's the low. And give it a second. Zooming out, and I believe we are here, right? On the daily chart. The market hit the extension, and then the market broke our down Fibonacci. Can you see it, everybody? The market broke our down Fibonacci, and then the market broke our up Fibonacci. So we are going to start our last sequence on the daily chart from here. That's the A. We need to find the B. So this is the B. Is this a low? Need to double check the lows. Is this a low? 72249, 7222, 492. Okay, so that's a low. It's a lower low. Next Fibonacci sequence. Green goes to green from here to here. And did the market stop us out? Did the market? Yes, it did. So we need to do it all over again. High to low, A to B. Zoom in the chart, A, B, C, D. Green goes to green. That's the second Fibonacci sequence on the daily chart, NZD, USD. Green goes to green one more time. That's the third sequence. And finally, we are here. This was a nice trade on the daily chart. Red goes to red. That's the high. And from here to here, if I'm not mistaken, that's the high, that's the red. And the red one is here. So we need to find the low. Low. All right, all good. That's the low. Give it a second. ABCD, ABCD. Moving forward. Moving forward. Out this one. Out this one. So that's the C, right? Green goes to green. That's the C. And we need to find the low again. So finding a low, not a low, not a low. There you go. That's the new low. Fibonacci retracement tool. A to B. Moving forward. Moving forward. ABCD. Almost hit this. Almost stop us out. Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. ABCD. That's the low. Fibonacci retracement tool. The new Fibonacci sequence on the daily chart. Blackjack setup, and now we are here. Where is the? Did they change the monthly, weekly? That's the weekly. Alright. Monthly chart. Daily chart. Alright, everybody. It's Friday, right? If the monthly original Fibonacci is down, and you can see it on the chart, if the weekly Fibonacci is down, and you can see it on the chart, and if the daily Fibonacci is down, and you can see it on the chart, how should you trade the Fibonaccis? Up or down? It's Friday, right? Look what's happening Friday. Okay, everybody, I'm going to leave you with this question. If the monthly Fibonacci is down, original one, if the weekly Fibonacci is down, original one, and if the daily Fibonacci is down, original one, if you have alignments from the three Fibonaccis, and if you would just put the stop loss above the A, would you, could you, or should you make some money? It's a rhetorical question. Happy Friday. This is the boss signing off. Happy weekend. See you back on Monday. Making some money. That's the boss signing off.